Now in the next part we will see all expected questions unit wise, how they will ask and how to solve all types of examples. So in that, unit number 1 is matrix and determinants. In this matrix and determinants, first part comes transpose of matrix. What is meant by this transpose of matrix? Matrix is obtained by interchanging rows in terms of columns or columns in terms of rows. Then such type of matrix is called transpose of matrix, and it is denoted by A power capital T or A dash. So this is dash. Means suppose this is the example, A is equals to one matrix 1 3 minus 2 4. If you want to write a transpose of this matrix, what we need to do is either you need to interchange rows in terms of columns, otherwise you need to interchange column in terms of rows. Better you remember interchange rows in terms of columns. It means first row we are going to write it as a first column, and second row we are going to write it as a second column. Then whichever the matrix here we are going to get, this matrix we are going to call it as transpose of matrix. Another example, suppose A is equals to, if I take 2 minus 1 0 3. If I want to write transpose of this matrix, it is denoted by A power capital T, otherwise sometimes it is denoted by A dash. What I need to do is interchange row in terms of column, means first row you write it as a first column, second row you write it as a second column. Then the new matrix we are going to call it as what? Transpose of matrix. And also remember here multiplication rule, that is important. So multiplication rule, you know, always plus into plus is plus. Similarly minus into minus is also plus. Next plus into minus is minus, and minus into plus is minus. This multiplication rule we are going to apply while solving the examples without using transpose, and another one is with using transpose. Without using transpose, these are the different types of examples they may ask. That is, after giving two matrix, find A plus B or A minus B or 2A plus 3B or 2A minus 3B or B minus 2A or 3B plus 2A or A minus 3B, etc. And these are the questions with transpose. A plus B whole transpose or A minus B whole transpose or A transpose plus B transpose or A transpose minus B transpose. Otherwise only one matrix they will give, that is A, and they may ask find A plus A transpose or A minus A transpose or 2A plus A transpose. So let us solve some examples from this part as well as from this part. So in that you can see here question number 1. What is this question? Here A matrix is given 1 3 minus 2 4, and this is the B matrix minus 2 1 3 1. Using these two we need to find out which value A plus B. So remember here whichever the value you need to find, that we need to write here first, A plus B. Next, this is the solution. Next, A below mentioned A matrix value. What is that A matrix value? So which is equals to, in matrix, A matrix is 1 3 minus 2 4. Next plus sign, so mention here plus. Next B matrix, mention B matrix value minus 2 1 3 1. Next we need to add both the matrices. So what is that rule? Whenever you are adding two matrices or whenever you are subtracting two matrices, always corresponding elements you need to add, otherwise corresponding elements you need to subtract. That is, first element with the first element, second element with the second element, third element with the third element, fourth element with the fourth element. Therefore, see now, first element in the A matrix 1, keep it as it is. Next, here apply the multiplication rule. Outside positive sign, inside negative sign. So plus into minus is minus. Next is 2. Leave the space. Next go with the second with the second. That is, second element is 3. Plus into plus is plus. Next number is 1. Next minus 2, third element. Plus into plus is plus. Next number 3, keep it as it is. Next fourth with the fourth element, 4 plus into plus is plus. Next number is 1. Close the bracket. After that, better you use the calculator. Otherwise, some students, they may do the sign mistakes. If you want to avoid sign mistakes, better you use calculator. Otherwise, you can do it directly. 1 minus 2, answer is minus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. 4 plus 1 is how much here? 5. So this is the value of what? A plus B. Next question. This is the matrix A and this is the matrix B. Find 2A minus 3B. What is given here? 2A minus 3B. First, in the solution, note down this. 2A minus 3B. First, here number 2 is there, so mention that 2. Next, A matrix. Note down A matrix elements 1, 3, 2, 2. Next, complete the bracket. Negative sign, keep that negative sign as it is. Next number is 3, mention that 3. After that, B matrix value we need to mention, that is minus 2, 1, 3, minus 3. So this is the first step. Next, directly we cannot subtract these two matrices because A matrix is having number 2 and B matrix is having number 3. So in the next step, multiply 2 with all these 4 elements. Similarly, multiply 3 with all these 4 elements. Multiply. Therefore, in matrix 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4. Next, mention minus as it is. Next, only with 3 multiply. Don't consider the negative sign because already you kept this negative sign here. Only multiply with 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Next, subtract corresponding elements. Therefore, first element with first element, 2. Minus into minus is plus 6. Next, second with the second, 6. Minus into plus is minus 3. Third with the third, 4. Minus into plus is minus 9. Next, fourth with the fourth element, 4. Minus into minus is plus. Next, the last fourth element is 9. Now add and subtract. Therefore, the final answer is 2 plus 6, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 9, minus 5. 4 plus 9, that is 13. So this is the value of 2A minus 3B. Next question. A is equals to 1322, B is equals to 203 minus 3. Here we need to find b minus 2a. Solution, we need to find b minus 2a, so note down that first, b minus 2a. But here which one is the first matrix? B, that's why mention B matrix first. So 2 0 3 minus 3. Next, which sign? Minus, keep it as it is. Next number is 2, again keep it as it is. Next mention A matrix value 1 3 2 2. So which is equals to, here number is not there, therefore keep this matrix as it is. 2 0 3 minus 3. Next minus, also keep it as it is. Next multiply A matrix with this number 2. So 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. So after multiplying with number 2, next subtract these two matrices. Therefore corresponding elements, first with first, 2 minus into plus is minus 2. Next 0 minus into plus is minus 6. Next 3 minus into plus is minus 4. Next minus 3 minus into plus is minus 4. Next, better you use the calculator here. 2 minus 2, if you use the calculator it will show you 0. 0 minus 6 minus 6. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So this is the value of b minus 2a. Next question, if a is equals to 1 3 2 2, b is equals to 2 1 3 3, find a plus b whole transpose. So if you observe this example, here we need to find a plus b whole transpose value. That's why before taking a plus b transpose, first we need to find out inside value. What is that inside value here? A plus b, because we don't know a plus b value. Therefore in the solution write here a plus b first, which is equals to, first a value, what is that a matrix value? 1 3 2 2. Next plus, keep it as it is. Next b matrix value 2 1 3 3. Now add these two matrices. Therefore it is 1 plus into plus plus 2. Next 3 plus into plus plus 1. Next 2 plus into plus plus 3. Next 2 plus into plus is plus, the last number is 3. Therefore add now. A plus b is equals to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 3 5. So this is the value of a plus b. But in the question what is given, we need to find out a plus b whole transpose, means transpose of this matrix. Already I told you how to take the transpose. Therefore a plus b whole transpose is equals to, transpose means we need to interchange rows in terms of columns. Therefore I am going to write first row as a first column and the second row as a second column. So this is the answer of a plus b whole transpose. So next, a is equals to 1 3 minus 3 2, b is equals to minus 2 1 3 5, find a dash minus b dash. So dash means transpose of matrix. Therefore in the solution write this, a transpose minus b transpose. It means in the first step only take transpose of a, means first row you write it as a first column, second row you write it as a second column. So this is transpose of a, minus again take transpose of b, that is first row write it as a first column, second row write it as a second column. So this is a transpose of B. After taking transpose, next do the subtraction. Therefore first 1 minus into minus is plus 2, next minus 3 minus into plus is minus 3, next 3 minus into plus is minus 1, next 2 minus into plus is minus 5. Now add and subtract. Therefore final answer is 1 plus 2, 3, minus 3 minus 3, minus 6, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this is the value of A transpose minus B transpose. Next, if A is equals to 1, 3 minus 2, 4, find A plus A transpose. So in the solution, note down this first. What we need to find? A plus A transpose, which is equals to, first A is there, A matrix mentioned here. 1, 3, minus 2, 4. Plus sign, next keep that plus sign as it is. Next take transpose of A. So clearly it is mentioned we need to take transpose of A, means first row write it as a first column, second row write it as a second column. So this is transpose of A. After taking the transpose here, next add these two matrices. Therefore 1 plus into plus is plus 1, next 3 plus into minus is minus 2, next minus 2 plus into plus plus 3, and last 4 plus into plus is plus 4. Therefore the final answer is 1 plus 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 2 plus 3 is 1, 4 plus 4, 8. So this is the value of A plus A transpose. Next, A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 2, find 2A minus A transpose. So first note down 2A minus A transpose. First here 2 is there, mention that 2. Next A matrix. What is that A matrix? 1, 3, 3, 2, 2. Next minus sign, keep it as it is. Next clearly it is mentioned take the transpose of A. It means first row write it as a first column, second row write it as a second column. Next, which is equals to, now multiply this matrix with the number 2. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4. Next minus, keep this matrix as it is because here number is not there. 1, 2, 3, 2. Now subtract. Therefore 2 minus into plus minus 1, 6 minus into plus minus 2. So next 4 minus into plus minus 3, next 4 minus into plus is minus 2. Now use the calculator. Therefore final answer is 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the value of 2A minus A transpose. So next, multiplication of matrices with transpose. If multiplication comes, remember which method here? Box method. So these are the possible examples they may ask without using transpose. That is, A value they will give, B value they will give, then they will ask find AB, or else find BA, or find A square. A square comes, that time you should write A into A. Otherwise they may ask verify AB is equals to BA or not. These are the questions without using transpose. Next, with using transpose, they may ask find AB the whole transpose or BA the whole transpose or A transpose into B transpose or B transpose into A transpose, or else only A matrix they will give and they will ask find A into A transpose, otherwise A transpose into A. Let's solve the examples. So this is the first example. What is that example? A value already they had given, B value it is 2 1 3 1. We need to find out which value here, AB. First, this whichever the value you are finding, that you need to write first, AB. Next, mention A matrix, because first A is there, so 1 3 2 4 into B matrix 2 1 3 1. Next, write the order. What is the order? 2 rows 2 columns. Similarly, here also 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows 2 columns. So what is the multiplication condition? These two numbers should be same. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. So here you can do matrix multiplication. After that, apply the box method. So now put the line, then in this corner write AB, because we are finding which value here, AB. A top mention R, here arrow mark, R indicates row, C indicate column. What we need to do in this part, A matrix rows we need to write, in this part B matrix column. So A matrix, what is the first row? 1 3, so write here plus 1 plus 3. Next, put one line. Next, what is the second row? 2 4, so write here plus 2 plus 4. Only 2 rows are there. Next, in this part B matrix column, what is the first column? 2 3. Here we need to take column, but while writing according to row wise we need to write 2 3, that is plus 2 plus 3. Next, second column 1 1, so plus 1 plus 1. Now do the multiplication. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 2 2, plus into plus plus 3 into 3 9, plus into plus plus 1 into 1 1, plus into plus plus 3 into 1 3, plus into plus plus 2 into 2 4, plus into plus plus 4 into 3 12, plus into plus plus 2 into 1 2, plus into plus plus 4 into 1 4. Next, after doing the multiplication, so next in matrix form, these values as it is we need to write, that is plus 2 plus 9, next plus 1 plus 3, next plus 4 plus 12, next plus 2 plus 4. Now use the calculator, otherwise directly you can do. Therefore, what is the AB value now? Final answer is 2 plus 9 11, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 12 16, 2 plus 4 is 6. So what is the order? 2 cross 2. So this is the value of AB. Next type of question. A is equals to 1 3 2 4, find A into A transpose. So first mention this value in the solution, A into A transpose. First A matrix, note down A matrix value 1 3 2 4 into, take a transpose of A. First row write it as a first column, second row write it as a second column. As usual, 2 rows 2 columns, 2 rows 2 columns, so these two values are equal. Therefore here also we can do matrix multiplication possible. After this, apply the box method. So at this corner write A into A transpose row and here column. So what is the first row? 1 3. So write here plus 1 plus 3. Next second row 2 4 plus 2 plus 4. Next first column plus 1 plus 3. Second column plus 2 plus 4. Multiply plus into plus, plus 1 into 1 1, plus into plus plus 3 into 3 9, plus into plus plus 1 into 2 2, plus into plus plus 3 into 4 12, plus into plus plus 2 into 1 2, plus into plus plus 4 into 3 12, plus into plus plus 2 into 2 4, plus into plus plus 4 into 4 16. Next, after doing multiplication, so in matrix form, which is equals to, rewrite this all 4 values: plus 1 plus 9, plus 2 plus 12, plus 2 plus 12, plus 4 plus 16. Therefore, what is the final answer of A into A transpose? 1 plus 9 10, 2 plus 12 14, 2 plus 12 14, 4 plus 16 is 20. So order is 2 cross 2. So this is the answer of A into A transpose. Next type of question: A matrix 3 minus 2 2 4, B matrix 2 3 3 minus 1. Here we need to verify AB is equals to BA or not. Means first part we need to find out AB value, next part we need to find out BA value. After finding AB and BA, if both answers are same, then we need to write AB is equals to BA. If both answers are not same, that time we have to write AB is not equals to BA. So as usual, first we need to write AB, A below A matrix, B below B matrix, A matrix order, B matrix order, these two are equal, so it is possible. So now apply the box method. At this corner write AB row column. What is the first row? 3 minus 2. So write here plus 3 minus 2. Second row plus 2 plus 4. First column plus 2 plus 3. Second column plus 3 minus 1. Now multiply. Plus into plus plus 3 into 2 6, minus into plus minus 2 into 3 6, plus into plus plus 3 into 3 9, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2, plus into plus plus 2 into 2 4, plus into plus plus 4 into 3 12, plus into plus plus 2 into 3 6, plus into minus is minus 4 into 1 4. Therefore rewrite in matrix form. So this is plus 6 minus 6, plus 9 plus 2, next plus 4 plus 12 plus 6 minus 4. So use the calculator. Therefore AB value is equals to plus 6 minus 6 is 0, 9 plus 2 11, 4 plus 12 16, 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is the value of AB. So after finding AB, next we need to find out which value BA. So for that, first write BA, B below B matrix, A below A matrix. Write the order, both are same, so it is possible. Now in this corner write BA row column. So row and here column. What is the first row? 2 3. So plus 2 plus 3. Second row plus 3 minus 1. First column plus 3 plus 2. Second column minus 2 plus 4. So plus into plus, plus 2 into 3, 6, plus into plus, plus 3 into 2, 6, plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4, plus into plus, plus 3 into 4, 12, plus into plus, plus 3 into 3, 9, minus into plus, minus 1 into 2, 2. Plus into minus is minus 3 into 2, 6, minus into plus, minus 1 into 4 is 4. Therefore, in matrix form, rewrite plus 6 plus 6 minus 4 plus 12 plus 9 minus 2 and minus 6 minus 4. Therefore, BA is equals to 6 plus 6, 12, minus 4 plus 12 is 8, 9 minus 2, 7, and minus 4 minus 6, minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So this is 2 cross 2. This is the value of BA. Now see, AB, all the elements are different. BA, if you compare these two, this is different, this is different. Therefore, finally we have to write here AB is not equals to BA. Next, A matrix 1 1 minus 1 2, B matrix 1 2 minus 3 4. Find AB the whole transpose. So before finding AB the whole transpose, first we need to find out the inside value. What is that inside value? AB, because we don't know AB value. Therefore, take that AB first. Then A below A matrix, B below B matrix. Write the order equal, so it is possible. Now apply the box method. So in this corner write AB row column. So first row plus 1 plus 1. Second row minus 1 plus 2. First column plus 1 minus 3. Second column plus 2 plus 4. So now multiply. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 1, 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 3, 3. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 2, 2. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 4, 4. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 1, 1, plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 6, minus into plus, minus 1 into 2, 2, plus into plus, plus 2 into 4, 8. Therefore, which is equals to, now in matrix form, rewrite. Therefore, plus 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 plus 8. So use the calculator here. Therefore, AB value is equals to, AB is equals to 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 plus 4, 6, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7, minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6. So this is AB value. But question is, we need to take AB AB whole transpose. Therefore, transpose means we need to interchange rows in terms of columns. Therefore, write first row as a first column, second row as a second column. So this is the value of AB the whole transpose. Next question. If A is equals to 2, 3, 4 minus 1, then find A square. If A square comes, so that time A square can be written as A into A. Next, mention A matrix. Again mention A matrix. Same value, 2 to 4 minus 1, 2 to 4 minus 1. Write the order so possible. Next, in this corner, write, instead of writing A square, we need to write A into A. Okay, so row, column, row, and here column. What is the first row? Plus 2 plus 2, second row, plus 4 minus 1, first column, plus 2 plus 4, second column, plus 2 minus 1. Multiply. Plus into plus, plus 2 into 2, 4, plus into plus, plus 2 into 4, 8, plus into plus, plus 2 into 2, 4, plus into minus is minus 2 into 1, 2, plus into plus, plus 4 into 2, 8, minus into plus is minus 1 into 4, 4, plus into plus, plus 4 into 2, 8, minus into minus is plus 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, in matrix form, which is equals to, so write plus 4 plus 8, next plus 4 minus 2, next plus 8 minus 4, next plus 8 plus 1. Therefore, which is equals to A square value is 4 plus 8, 12, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 4, 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is the value of A square. So next part, singular matrix condition. What is that singular matrix condition? Determinant of A value is equals to 0. Using this singular matrix or using determinant, we need to find out which value here, x value. So before solving this example, let us understand second order determinant rule and shifting rule. Suppose this is the second order determinant, 2, 3, 4 minus 1. Rule is we need to do the cross multiplication. This arrow mark we need to multiply first. First multiply the sign. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. Middle always negative sign. Again in bracket. Next remaining two numbers we need to multiply. Plus into plus, plus 4 into 3, 12. Here directly you can use the calculator. Otherwise, if you want to simplify further, minus 2, keep it as it is. Minus into plus is minus 12. Next minus 2 minus 12 is how much here? Minus 14. Otherwise, here if you use calculator directly, okay, I will show you. Minus 2, so that is minus 2 minus in bracket plus 12, close the bracket, so directly you will get how much here? Minus 14. So either here directly you can use the calculator, otherwise further if you want to do the simplification, open the bracket, minus into plus is minus 12 as it is, minus 2 minus 12 goes to minus 14. So this is second order determinant rule. What is that? Cross multiplication, middle always negative sign. Next also remember the shifting rule. So whenever you are shifting left hand side value to right hand side or right hand side value to left hand side, plus always becomes minus, minus becomes plus, into becomes division, division becomes into. One matrix is given, x1 3 4. What they are telling, this is which type of matrix? Singular matrix. Using this condition we need to find out this unknown value. Therefore in the solution, first write singular matrix condition. What is that singular matrix condition? Determinant of a value is equals to 0, because what they are telling, this matrix is singular, so write this condition. Next, determinant symbol, keep it as it is. Substitute a value. What is that a value? x1 3 4. x1 3 4 is equals to 0. Now apply second order determinant rule. Arrow mark, cross multiplication. Plus into plus, plus x into 4 is 4x. Middle always negative sign. Again in bracket. Now these two, plus into plus, plus 3 into 1 is 3 is equals to 0. So next, plus 4x as it is, open the bracket, minus into plus is minus 3 is equals to 0. We need x value, therefore this x I am going to keep it in left hand side. At the same time I am going to shift minus 3 to right hand side. So already in right hand side 0 is there, keep it as it is. Minus, if I shift it becomes plus, therefore minus 3 becomes here plus 3. Therefore plus 4x is equals to 0 plus 3 is plus 3 or 3. Again we need only x value. X is equals to right hand side plus 3. Here in between 4 and x multiplication sign is there. We are shifting this 4 to right hand side. That time multiplication becomes division. Therefore divided by this 4 comes in the denominator, plus 4, or answer is 3 divided by 4. Next question. Here instead of giving singular matrix condition, directly they will give in determinant form. If a determinant of x minus 1 2 1 is equals to 0, find which value? X. So as usual write that question, x minus 1 2 1 is equals to 0. Apply second order rule, cross multiplication. Multiply this arrow mark value first, plus into plus, plus x into 1 is 1x. Middle always negative sign. In bracket multiply these two. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 1 is 2 is equals to 0. Open the bracket. So 1x is equals to minus into minus is plus 2 is equals to 0. We need x value. Therefore this x I am going to keep it as it is. 1x means x only. Shift this 2 to right hand side. So that time right hand side already 0 is there. Keep it as it is. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore x is equals to 0 minus 2 is how much? Minus 2. So this is the value of x. Next part, Cramer's rule, or also it is called determinant method. The question, by using Cramer's rule, we need to remember the formula. What is that Cramer's rule formula to find out the value of x? Delta x divided by delta, and y formula is delta y divided by delta. Now let us understand how to find out the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule. Question, solve by Cramer's rule if 3x minus 2y is equals to 4 and 4x plus 5y is equals to 13. Here two equations already they had given. First write the first equation, 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. Then write the second equation, 4x plus 5y is equals to 13. After writing two equations, first step we need to find out which value here, delta. So to get this delta, what we need to do, in determinant form, first we need to write x coefficient value as a first column. See what is the x coefficient? That is 3, and x coefficient in equation number 2 is 4. Next, take the coefficient of y in the equation number 1 as well as what equation number 2 and write it as a second column. Y coefficient is -2 and y coefficient in equation number 2 is what +5. Next, apply second order determinant rule. So what is that second order determinant rule? Cross multiplication, middle always minus sign. So this arrow mark, first do the multiplication. So before multiplying the numbers, multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into 5 is 15. Middle always minus sign. Again in bracket, plus into minus is minus. 4 into 2 is how much here? 8. So which is equals to, here by opening the bracket you can do the simplification, otherwise directly use the calculator. So if I use the calculator, see, plus 15 minus of in bracket minus 8 minus 8, so is equals to, so what is the answer? 23. So right here 23. So this is the value of delta. Once you get delta value, next step we need to find delta x value. Again in a determinant form. How to get delta x value? In delta, this first column. In delta, this first column replaced by these two constant terms. That is, instead of writing 3 and 4, write 4, 13. Replace first column by these two constant term, and in delta second column keep it as it is, -2, 5. Then again apply second order determinant rule. Do the cross multiplication. Plus into plus is plus. 4 into 5, 20. Middle minus sign. Next these two, plus into minus is minus. 13 into 2 is how much? 26, which is equals to, again plus 20 minus of in bracket minus 26, 46. Therefore right here 46. This is the value of delta x. Next, find out delta y value. For delta y, what we need to do, again in delta, this second column we need to replace by these two constant term. Means instead of writing -2 and 5, write here 4, 13. Next, in delta first column keep it as it is, 3 and 4. Next, apply second order determinant rule. Do the cross multiplication, which is equals to plus into plus is plus. 3 into 13 is 39 minus, again in bracket plus into plus is plus. 4 into 4 is 16, which is equals to, again use the calculator. Therefore plus 39 minus of, again in bracket plus 16, how much? 23. So once we get delta x and delta y value, next we need to find out x and y. So write the formula. Therefore x is equals to, formula is delta x divided by delta. What is the delta x value? 46 divided by delta value is 23. So this is the final answer, otherwise you can divide. 46 divided by 23, final answer is 2. So write here 2. Next, y value. Formula for y is delta y divided by delta. What is the delta y? 23 divided by delta value is 23. So write here 23. So 23 divided by 23 is how much? 1. Therefore x is 2, y is 1. So this method only we are going to call it as determinant method, or it is also called Cramer's rule. Next, find I1, and I2 using Cramer's rule. If 2I1 plus 3I2 is equals to 1 and 3I1 minus 4I2 is equals to 2. Sometimes what they will do, instead of giving two equation in terms of x and y, they will give in terms of I1 and I2. Here we need to find out the value of I1 and the value of I2. Suppose if they give in terms of I1 and I2, that time formula becomes I1 is equals to delta I1 divided by delta, then I2 value becomes delta I2 divided by delta. In place of x we need to replace by I1 and in place of y we need to replace by I2. So now consider the first equation. So that is 2I1 plus 3I2 is equals to 1. Second equation is 3I1 minus 4I2 is equals to 2. First, as usual, delta value. So delta is equals to, what we need to do to get this delta value, take the coefficient of I1 in equation number 1 and 2, write it as a first column. I1 coefficient is 2 and here I1 coefficient is 3. Next, take the coefficient of I2 in equation number 1 and equation number 2. I2 coefficient is 3, that is plus 3, and I2 coefficient is minus 4. Minus 4. Apply second order determinant rule. Again do the cross multiplication. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 4 is 8. Middle minus sign. Plus into plus is plus, 3 into 3. 9. So which is equals to, better you use the calculator. So here minus 8 minus of in bracket plus 9. Complete the bracket. So what is the answer? Minus 70. So write minus 70. So this is delta value. Next, delta I1. So to get this delta I1, what we need to do is, in delta first column we should replace by these two constant term. Means instead of writing 2 and 3, write here 1 and 2, and the second column in delta keep it as it is, 3 minus 4, which is equals to, again apply second order determinant rule. Plus into minus is minus, 1 into 4, 4, middle minus sign, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 3 is how much here? 6, which is equals to, therefore minus 4 minus of in bracket plus 6 minus 10. So right, minus 10. Next, delta I2 is equals to get this delta I2 value, in delta second column replace by these two constant term, that is 1 and 2, and first column in delta keep it as it is, 2, 3, which is equals to, again do the cross multiplication. Plus into plus is plus, 2 into 2, 4, middle minus sign, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. So here you will get 1, otherwise use the calculator. Plus 4 minus of plus 3, 1. So write 1. Once we get delta I1 and delta I2, next find out I1 value. What is the formula for I1? Delta I1 divided by delta. So what is the delta I1 is minus 10 divided by delta value is minus 70. So this is the final answer, or else we can use the calculator. Minus divided by minus is plus, that is 10 divided by 17. So it is 10 divided by 17. 0.58. 0.58. Next, I2. Formula delta I2 divided by delta. Delta I2 is 1 divided by delta value is minus 17. Therefore 1 divided by minus 17, 1 divided by minus 17. Let's keep it in bracket. 1 divided by minus 17. So answer is minus 0.05. Minus 0.05. So this I1 value is 0.58, I2 value is minus 0.05. Next part, adjoint of matrix. So to find out adjoint of matrix using second order, there is a shortcut rule. What is that shortcut rule? Interchange principal diagonal elements and remaining elements change the sign. So this shortcut method, just remember, within one step you will get the answer. See what we need to do. Suppose here one example I will consider. A is equals to 2 minus 3, 1 minus 5. Now we need to find adjoint of matrix. So this is the short form. ADJ of A means adjoint of matrix. So in this matrix, this 2 minus 5, this is what we call it as principal diagonal elements. What we need to do is, this principal diagonal elements we need to interchange first. So interchange means in place of 2 write minus 5. Next, in place of minus 5 write 2. So this is what we call it as interchanging. What we need to do, interchange principal diagonal elements. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, next remaining elements we need to change the sign. What is the remaining element? 1 and minus 3. Only we need to change the sign. That is, plus 1 becomes minus 1 and minus 3 becomes what here? Plus 3. So this is what we call it as adjoint of matrix. So within one step we will get the answer. So here, by taking example, let us understand. Find adjoint of matrix A is equals to 4, 5, 3, minus 1. So in the solution, adjoint of A is equals to, so 4 and minus 1 is principal diagonal elements. So interchange the principal diagonal elements. In place of 4 write minus 1. In place of minus 1 write 4. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, remaining element only change the sign. Plus 3 becomes minus 3, plus 5 becomes minus 5. So this matrix we are going to call it as adjoint of matrix. Next, another example. Solution. If A is equals to 2, 5, 1 minus 7, find adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A is equals to, interchange principal diagonal elements. Therefore, minus 7 and here 2. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, remaining elements change the sign. Plus 1 becomes minus 1, plus 5 becomes minus 5. So this is the first type of example. In the first type, directly they will ask find adjoint of matrix. Sometimes in words they will give find adjoint of matrix. Otherwise sometimes they will give in shortcut way ADJ of A means adjoint of A. Next, in the second type, if A is equals to 2, 1, 3, 4, then find A into adjoint of A. So to solve this, first write A into adjoint of A. The solution, write here A into adjoint of A. So in between A and adjoint of A, multiplication sign comes. Therefore, apply here box method. Multiplication rule, box method we need to apply. First, A matrix is given, so write A matrix value. What is that A matrix value? 2, 1, 3, 4. Next, into take adjoint of A. So interchange principal diagonal elements. 4, 2, change the sign, -3, -1. So this is adjoint of A. Then write the order 2 cross 2. Here also write the order 2 cross 2. So these two are equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. Apply box method. So in this corner write A into adjoint of A. Row this side, column this side. What is the first row? 2, 1. So write +2 +1. Second row 3, 4. +3 +4. Next, first column +4 -3. Second column -1 +2. Multiply. Plus into plus, plus 2 into 4 is 8. Plus into minus is minus, 1 into 3, 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 into 1, 2. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 2, 2. Plus into plus, plus 3 into 4, 12. Plus into minus is minus 4 into 3, 12. Plus into minus, minus 3 into 1, 3. Plus into plus, plus 4 into 2 is 8. Now in matrix form, write plus 8 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 plus 12 minus 12 minus 3 plus 8. Therefore, which is equals to, use the calculator. 8 minus 3, it gives you 5. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Minus 3 plus 8. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. So this is the value of A into adjoint of A. So this is the second type. Type number 3. In type 3, how they will ask the question? In adjoint of matrix, one matrix they will give A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you need to show A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I. Means in left hand side first we need to solve, then right hand side you solve. After that compare left hand side value with right hand side value. If both values are same, then we need to write LHS is equals to RHS. So for that, first consider left hand side. So in the solution, first I am going to write LHS. What is that LHS? A into adjoint of A. As usual, first A. What is A value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, into take adjoint of A. Adjoint means interchange principal diagonal elements. Remaining elements change the sign. -3, -2. So 2 cross 2 is equals to again 2 cross 2. So these two are equal. So possible. Matrix multiplication is possible. Next, apply box method. So write A into adjoint of A, row, column. So row, column. First row +1 +2. Second row +3 +4. First column +4 -3. second column minus 2 plus 1, multiply, plus into plus, plus 1 into 4 4, plus into minus, minus 2 into 3 6, plus into minus is minus, 1 into 2 2, plus into plus, plus 2 into 1 2, plus into plus, plus 3 into 4 12, plus into minus, minus 4 into 3 12, plus into minus is minus 3 into 2 6, plus into plus, plus 4 into 1 4. So in matrix form, rewrite plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 plus 12 minus 12 and minus 6 plus 4. Therefore, next use the calculator. Therefore, A into adjoint of A value is 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 0 plus 12 minus 12 0 minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So this is left hand side value. I am going to call it as 1. We got left hand side. Next, right hand side value. What is that right hand side? Determinant of A into I. So next part, write RHS determinant of A into I. So first take determinant. Determinant of A is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 into identity matrix. I indicates identity matrix value is 1 0 0 1. Apply second order determinant rule. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 4 4, middle minus sign, plus into plus, plus 3 into 2 6, into keep this identity matrix as it is 1 0 0 1. Next use the calculator. Plus 4 minus of plus 6, it will show you minus 2, plus 4 minus of plus 6, how much? Minus 2. So write minus 2 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So finally next multiply. Therefore minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into 0 0, minus 2 into 0 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So this is the value of determinant of A into I. Call this equation number 2. So now you can check. First equation answer is minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Here also minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Therefore right here LHS is equals to RHS. To find out inverse of matrix, there is a formula. What is that formula? A inverse. This power minus 1 indicates inverse of matrix. A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Consider the example. If A is equals to 2 5 1 minus 7, then find A inverse. So first in the solution write the formula. So what is that formula? A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Here we need to find two values. One is adjoint of A and another one is determinant of A. Therefore first adjoint of A. Already we know how to find out adjoint of A. So to find out adjoint of A, what we need to do? In A, interchange principal diagonal elements. 2 7 can be written as 7 2, and remaining elements change the sign. Plus 1 becomes minus 1, plus 5 becomes minus 5. So this is the value of adjoint of A. Next find out determinant of A. Determinant of A is equals to determinant symbol, keep it as it is, substitute A value. What is that A value? 2 5 1 7. 2, 5, 1, 7. Apply second order determinant rule, cross multiplication, plus into plus, plus 2 into 7, 14, minus plus into plus, plus 1 into 5 is 5. Again use the calculator. So plus 14 minus of in bracket plus 5. So what is the answer? 9. So write here 9. So this is the value of determinant of A. After finding adjoint of A and determinant of A, next step, these two values substitute in the formula. Therefore, A inverse is equals to, once again write the formula, adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So which is equals to, in the numerator, adjoint of A is there. What is the answer? 7 minus 5 minus 1. Next is 2. Next, division symbol, divided by denominator, determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? Answer is 9. So this is the value of inverse of matrix. Next question. If A is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, then find inverse of matrix. See here, sometimes in words they will give find inverse of matrix, otherwise sometimes symbolically they will give find A power minus 1. Remember, A power minus 1 is nothing but inverse of matrix. First write the formula, then find out adjoint of A is equals to, interchange principal diagonal elements, it becomes 2 2, remaining element change the sign, minus 1 becomes plus 1, again minus 1 becomes plus 1. Next, find out determinant of A value. So determinant symbol, keep it as it is, substitute A. What is that? A? 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. Do the cross multiplication, plus into plus, plus 2 into 2 4, middle minus sign, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So if you use the calculator, it will show you 3, that is plus 4 minus of plus 1 is 3. Therefore write here 3. Therefore A inverse is equals to, formula is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Now substitute adjoint of A value. What is that? 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 2, divided by determinant of A value is how much? 3. So this is the answer. Next, characteristic equation. So to find out this characteristic equation, so this is the shortcut formula we are going to use. What is that? Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A value is equals to 0. Next, to find out the roots, we are using the formula minus B plus or minus the square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. See how they will ask the question. Find characteristic equation and roots of the matrix A is equals to first row 1 2, second row 2 1. So in the solution, first write that given matrix A is equals to 1 2 2 1. After this, compare that given matrix with A, B, C and D. Next, write that formula, characteristic equation formula. So what is that? First is determinant of A minus lambda I is equals to 0. So this is the standard formula, and shortcut formula is lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A value is equals to 0. Substitute. Now lambda square, keep it as it is. Next a. So see, in place of a, what is the number? 1. So write 1 plus in place of d, what is the number here? 1. So write 1 into lambda, keep it as it is, plus determinant of a value. So what is that? A 1 2 2 1. So write 1 2 2 1 is equals to 0. Next, lambda square, keep it as it is, minus 1 plus 1 is 2 times of lambda, plus in bracket apply second order determinant rule here. What is that second order determinant rule? Cross multiplication, middle always negative sign. So while doing cross multiplication, multiply this arrow mark first. So that is 1 into 1 is 1, middle minus sign. Next these two, 2 into 2 is 4, is equals to 0. Therefore lambda square minus 2 lambda, keep it as it is, plus, so 1 minus 4, if you do it in the calculator, how much it will show you? Minus 3. So write it in bracket is equals to 0. Therefore lambda square minus 2 lambda, open the bracket, plus into minus is minus, 3 is equals to 0. So this is what we call it as what? Characteristic equation. After finding characteristic equation, compare that characteristic equation with the standard form. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So write a value. So a is equals to lambda square coefficient. Nothing means 1. So write a value is 1. B is equals to, including the negative sign, lambda coefficient, that is minus 2, and C is nothing but minus 3. After writing A, B, C, next we need to find out the roots. So to find out the roots, what is that formula we are going to use? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So apply. Lambda is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So which is equals to, so in the formula minus is there, so keep that minus as it is. Next b value, what is that b value? Minus 2, so keep it in bracket minus 2. Next plus or minus square root of b, again b is minus 2, square is there, so keep that square as it is, minus 4 a, what is that a? 1 into c, what is that c? Minus 3 divided by 2 into a. A means 1, so it is 2 into 1. So now, which is equals to, minus into minus is plus, 2 as it is, plus or minus, keep that square root as it is. Next this inside value, for this inside value directly use the calculator. So what is that? Minus 2 square is there, so in the calculator, in bracket minus 2, so this is the power, but square minus 4, again in bracket, a is 1, c is minus 3, 1 into minus 3. So press is equals to, so what is the answer? 16. So write 16 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the final answer. Otherwise, further if you want to do the simplification, we know, so these are called roots. One is positive value, another one is negative value. Otherwise you can write like this also, lambda is equals to 2 plus root 16 divided by 2, and another one 2 minus root 16 divided by 2. So these are called roots. Or if you want to simplify further, what we need to do, lambda keep it as it is, 2 plus or minus, we know square root of 16 is nothing but 4, so write here 4 divided by 2. Therefore 1 is positive value, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, and another one is negative value, so 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 2, so that is nothing but 3, and lambda is equals to 2 minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2. So if I cancel these two, so what is the answer? Minus 1. So 3 and minus 1 are the roots. So this is the final answer. This is also correct. This is also correct. Next example, find characteristic equation and roots of the matrix A is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2. So in the first step, write A is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2. Next, compare this with standard form A, B, C and D. Now write the formula for characteristic equation. Determinant of A minus lambda I is equals to 0. So this is the standard formula. Next write the shortcut formula. Lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A value is equals to 0. Now substitute lambda square as it is minus A. So in place of A, what is the number given? 1. So 1 plus D. In place of D, what is the number? Minus 2. In bracket you write minus 2, complete the bracket, into lambda plus determinant of A value. What is that A value? 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 is equals to 0. Next, simplify. So lambda square, outside negative sign, keep it as it is. Next, better you use the calculator. 1 plus into bracket minus 2. 1 plus into bracket minus 2. So what is the answer? Minus 1. So in bracket minus 1 into lambda plus, apply the second order rule, cross multiplication, middle negative sign, multiply this arrow mark first. Again in bracket 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, middle always negative sign. Again in bracket minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6 is equals to 0. So next, therefore lambda square minus into minus is plus 1 into lambda plus, again use the calculator, minus 2 minus 2 minus of in bracket plus 6. So what is the answer? Minus 8. In bracket minus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore lambda square plus 1 lambda plus into minus is minus 8 is equals to 0. So this is what we call it as characteristic equation. After getting the characteristic equation, so compare with standard form. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Lambda square coefficient nothing means 1. So what is the value of a? 1. B is equals to lambda coefficient is plus 1, that is 1, and c value becomes minus 8. Next, for roots, apply the formula. So for roots, formula is lambda is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute, which is equals to minus, keep it as it is, b value. What is b value? 1 plus or minus square root of b square means 1 square minus 4. A is 1 into C value is minus 8 divided by, so 2 into A value is 1, so 2 into 1. Now which is equals to minus 1, keep it as it is, plus or minus square root also keep it as it is, directly use the calculator. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8, complete the bracket, is equals to, so what is the answer? 33. So square root of 33 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the final answer. These are called what? Roots. Or else how we can write? Lambda is equals to minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 2, or lambda is equals to minus 1 minus root 33 divided by 2, because further we cannot do the simplification because this is not a perfect square. So stop it here only. So these two are called what? Roots.